trying to call him Lucifer. Maybe isn't, he must have had a color. She's telling me that we are in love. She's a devil in a dress. Oh, but she's cold. She's got horns below her head. Oh, she's away. I can sing on Sunday morning, but even the devil really devil in one. She masquerades in the people don't know him. She's as evilness as evil does. She's a devil in a dress, a wolf in sheep's clothes. She's got horns below her head. Oh, she got horns below her head. Oh, horns below her head. Oh, she got horns below her head. indeed. And I'll let you know that's another song that's on our album we have for you right back here. It's off of the album Exorcist. And I don't even remember, it's been a while since we've been able to get back out westward. So I don't think we had that album with us last time we were here. So since we've been here the last time, we've actually released 2 albums, man. It's been a long time now, man, but I want to give you this one. This next one is unrecorded, unreleased, damn near unrehearsed, man. Yeah. Because we got some crazy stuff. It's a weird reality we live in now. And I tell you, you don't see anyone, nobody worships anything except electronic gods anymore. And you think I'm lying? You just look in any crowd, you'll see the heads bow. But you gotta be careful of that stuff, man, because we don't see what we want to see on that shit, man. We see what they want us to see. And they is not even a person. They got this thing called the algorithm that's in all of our stuff that lets us know what we want to see, what we want to hear, what we want to buy, what we want to drink, what we want to eat. All that stuff, man. So I got this brand new song going to be on the album coming out this year on Alligator Records. Yeah, baby. It says, "All hail the algorithm." Yeah. Y'all want to hear it? Yeah. Listen. On the piano, y'all. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling good up here, man. Y'all feeling good right now? I feel real good if we had Reggie Allen play this saxophone for us. Y'all want to hear some Larry saxophone?
tell you, I'm very blessed to play with the musicians that I do night after night. And how about it for the guys up here in this band, Mr. Huff Wright on the bass, everybody. Back here on the drums, you might notice a new face behind the drum kit. If you saw us last time, it's because it's a new person. On the drums for the past year and a half, Mr. Henley Connor III, y'all. On the keyboards from Arlington, Virginia, John Hetherington Jr. Yeah. And I forgot to mention over here on this bass guitar, Mr. Huff Wright has been standing there to the left of me on stage for the past 15 years, y'all. And to my right on this big bad baritone saxophone, from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, we got Reggie Oliver, everybody. For the past 16 years on this baritone saxophone, Reggie Oliver, everybody. It's a long time, man. Damn. 16 years. I've been playing with myself for longer than that. Playing guitar. Look at perverts. I want to take it back, man. If I remember correctly, they got some blues lovers over here in Phoenix at the moment. And I don't hear the kind of blues that I like as much these days, so while I got you, I want to take it back, man. Go back. Because music can be a cool thing. It can be like a time machine. You can hear a sound and be transported to a completely different place in time, you know? So we're going to go back down where you might be able to hear a guitar like this, man. Let's see. You hear it? I'll turn it up. Let's go back where you hear the guitar sound like this. You better come on in my kitchen. It's going to be raining, I know now. Yeah. A woman I know, some man's best friend. Some joker got lucky, stole her bag again. You better come home in my kitchen. It's gone.
I said, you know what?